Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own custom juice pouches. Now this is not a design with me video, but it's only two, but I'm able to fit 4 of these on one 8.5 by 11 glossy sticker paper. I use the Koala brand sticker paper. Everything that I use for my party favors is linked down in my Amazon storefront in my description under party favor faves. And let's hop on into the tutorial. In this video, we'll be using the Capri-Sun's 10 pouches, 6 fluid ounces. I have my juice right here. I'm going to flip it and kind of flatten it as best as I can. I am applying to the back. I'm going to remove the backing from my sticker label. And I'm just going to line the top of my label up to the top of my juice. Like that. And then I'm just going to run my finger just down the middle. Flip it. And turn it to the left and the right, top, bottom. Once you rotate it to come out looking like that, it's nice and flush against the back of this. You may have to go in and just kind of press down on the sides, and then that's what the front is looking like. Now I have done it on the front to cover this blue area design right here. You can remove this straw and then reapply it with either double-sided tape or a little bit of hot glue, but I just found it easier and quicker just to apply straight to the back. Applying it to the back also helps with designing. You won't have to add each individual flavor because we do have multiple flavors. I'm gonna show you one more time with this juice. So again, we're gonna remove our backing. Make sure our juice is as flat as we can get it. I normally just try to get as many wrinkles out as I can and apply the top of our sticker with the top of this juice right here. Run a finger down the middle. Now some people will go ahead and push it down with their fingers on either side, but I just felt like it added more creases. I'm gonna just go ahead and flip this, and I'm gonna just do this motion with my hand just to make sure it's pressed all the way down before I lift it up. Once it's lifted, I just make sure it's pressed down in all the spots that it wasn't able to get to. And after all of that, it comes out perfectly. Now you know how to make your own custom juice pouch just like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see other videos like this, make sure you let me know in my comment section. If you have any other questions, put that in the comment sections as well. And it's so simple, it's so easy, and these are so cute. It's just a fun little way to personalize your party or to make a little bit of extra money on the side. If you like to know more in detail how to make party favors and things like that, definitely be on the lookout because I will be releasing a little website with courses, live tutorials, zooms, mystery boxes, and more information for that to come. But in the meantime, be noted that it will be coming in the future. Once it comes and is live for my viewers, my audience, I will list it over in my community tab, so you're able to go and look at the website, sign up for any classes, courses. If you want a one-on-one session with me, I have all of that stuff linked over there on my community tab, and I'm hoping to have it out in the next couple of months. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.